Did you know that just being in nature can improve your sleep? Me neither. In this video, we're going to cover the mental health benefits and the physical health benefits of being in nature, or simply watching nature on a screen like your TV or your cell phone. Hey, it's Josh. Welcome and thank you for being here. I created this channel to help people find tools to improve their well-being, along with inspiration and hope, because I've learned so many different methods to help healing with my own trauma that I just have to share. In today's video, we're going to cover 3 valuable physical health benefits of nature, mental health benefits of nature, and how you can embrace these. For the physical health benefits, nature can lower your blood pressure. That's actually pretty high. I'm on blood pressure medication, and I took my blood pressure medication like an hour ago, and we're gonna go into nature. We're gonna see if it actually works. Number 2, nature lowers our cortisol levels. Cortisol is the stress hormone, or PTSD hormone. Let me tell you a story from last week. So I'm having a couple panic attacks, and I forced myself to come out here. By the time I got home, I'm guessing my cortisol levels were lowered. I don't know how to measure that, but I felt a lot better. Just listening to nature sounds or watching a nature video can lower your cortisol levels as well. Even spending 20 to 30 minutes in nature just sitting down. You don't even have to walk. How cool is that? Number 3, your immune system. Nature helps your immune system. It does this during the daylight when the sun's out. Even on cloudy days like it is today. It helps our bodies naturally produce that vitamin D, which during that process energizes your immune system's T cells. Wait a second. What are T cells? T cells are responsible for fighting infection and regulating our immune response. Imagine after a really heavy day, feeling a lot lighter and calmer just by going into nature for like 20 minutes or watching a nature video. It's that easy. Nature can help a myriad of mental health issues or conditions: anxiety, depression, grief, stress, fear, panic. The list goes on. The more connection that you have with nature, it becomes easier to replace those negative thoughts with thoughts of gratitude, joy, and happiness. It naturally promotes feelings of imagination, creativity, mindfulness, and curiosity. It also helps us focus, think more clearly, and it can actually improve our memory, which is really cool. This really sounds like a win-win situation. It sounds to me that nature can have a profound impact on both our bodies and our brains. If you know of any benefits of nature that you would like to share with everybody, feel free to utilize the comment section down below. If you enjoyed this video, please click on one of the next ones that pop up here after the next video compilation. Thanks again for being here. I really appreciate your support, and we'll see you in the next video.
is like up to my knees, and it's like -5 or -6 with wind chill, and I love it. And I have snot frozen to my mustache.